How to convert long video to short video using CapCut. All right, so all you need to do is just open up the latest version of CapCut and you would see that option here. So you could automatically find highlights inside of a long video and get multiple shorts from them. By clicking on long video to short, it's going to open up an interface here. You may need a CapCut subscription in order to access this feature. But alternatively, this feature is also available for free when you open up CapCut using another option. That is to close out of the feature, click on new project, and then simply import your project. So go ahead and click on the import option, select the video you'd like to work on. So we could go with any video here, click on the video, and then click on open. And now you could easily click on the plus by the video to add it to the timeline and use your cursor and the Control key and B to simply cut sections of that video into shorts. Alright guys, so that's basically how it works.